I have made many pancakes recipes so far, so you can find on my channel high protein, low calorie pancakes, also banana pancakes, banana oat pancakes. I even have an old recipe for cottage cheese pancakes. I'm gonna include all the links below. So today it's another pancake recipe, and this time I'm gonna use a farmer's cheese. And farmer's cheese, it's extremely high protein cheese. So it's gonna be a very high protein pancake recipe. And you can find that farmer's cheese even in your local store. Here in South Florida, we have Publix, and I always find farmer's cheese here. It's probably not that much as you have, other type of cheeses, but you can definitely find it. And the very common brand that's being used here is Friendship, I believe. So if you're interested in buying that cheese, go check your local store. And make sure that the farmer's cheese you're buying, it's no salt added kind. You don't want your pancakes to be salty. I'm going to make these pancakes two different ways. One with whole egg, regular sugar, and grinded oats. And the second one, I'm gonna make just egg whites, Monkfruit sweetener, and also grinded oats. In each bowl, I have 1 cup of farmer's cheese. That's about 120 grams, I calculated. Here it's 1 whole egg and 4 tablespoons of egg whites on the other side. Half a cup on non-fat Greek yogurt, both. Two tablespoons, which is about 30 grams of sugar or Monkfruit sweetener, and each bowl gets half a cup of oats, and I'm gonna grind them. That's about 41 grams. Both bowls will get a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. First, smash the cheese or grind in a food processor for a smoother texture. Pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Half a cup of grinded oats. Set aside, and now I'm going to prepare the lighter option. I will repeat the same steps as before. My husband version will get a smear of butter. You can make 1 big pancake like this one, or 4 smaller ones. My lighter option does not require any butter. flatten them out a little bit. These pancakes will require a longer cooking time. Make sure your heat is not too high so you don't burn them. And let them cook 3 to 4 minutes per side. And this giant baby, I'm guessing, will take a while before it is ready to flip. These are very soft and crumbly, so I'm hoping I will be able to flip them without major hiccups. One done, 3 more to go. Need some more confidence, and yes, perfect. Not so great, but I will take it. This one looks like it's ready. Most of it looks like it got cooked through. Time for a flip. And this one will be a tough one. I can already feel stage right. Didn't think it through when I decided to make a big one. So pretty much I recommend 4 small pancakes instead of a big one, and now you know why. To cover our mess, you can sprinkle some powdered sugar so the imperfections is less visible. And this is my strawberry preserves / sauce. You can find the recipe in my apple pancakes video. I'm gonna include it in the description below, and also in the corner, left upper corner of this video. And I'm going to take a little bite from this one, even though it is my husband's breakfast. I need to compare both recipes. And now the thumbnail version, because the first one is not making it for sure. It better be good. Powdered sugar camouflage, some strawberry sauce. This one definitely looks better. Let's see if there's a difference in taste. Texture check first. Looks yummy. What do you think? Nice and cheesy, absolutely delicious. So after tasting both recipes, I can tell you, I don't taste any difference. So I'm definitely gonna stick to the egg white version, as it's a significantly less, maybe not significantly, but it's less calories. I'll take it. And the whole recipe is about 504 calories and almost 65 grams of protein, which is a lot. And that's because everything of the farmer's cheese. So hey, go check out all the other pancake recipes. I'm gonna include a couple of them here. And tell me in the comments below which one you like the best and why. I will see you on the next one.